I got my two cameras today, and when I unpacked them, one of them, the bottom is kind of beat up. I haven't gone into it. But the other thing I noticed about this is that the solar panel, I thought were left out of the box to start off with, but nope. This is the solar panel that came with it. So I'm just kind of wondering how well that's going to work, because that's not much of a solar panel. So I hope it's a high efficiency panel for its size, because it is not very big at all. So I'm still not sure about the mounting portion of it yet. So that is to be determined, and we'll see. That's it.